Replacing your AirTag battery is simple. First, firmly press down on the stainless steel back and rotate it counterclockwise. Remove the cover to expose the CR2032 battery. Use a plastic tool to remove the old battery to avoid short-circuiting. Take out the old battery and insert a new CR2032, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Replace the cover, aligning it and twisting clockwise until it clicks shut. AirTags use a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery with an estimated 1-year battery life. After inserting the battery, the AirTag should automatically pair via Bluetooth. If your AirTag doesn't pair after replacing the battery, first ensure the battery is correctly oriented with the positive side up and confirm it's a genuine CR2032 battery, as counterfeit ones can cause failures. Try resetting the AirTag by removing the battery for 30 seconds, then reinserting it. This often resolves pairing issues. Force restart your iPhone or iPad and toggle Bluetooth off and on in settings to clear any connection issues. Update your iOS to the latest version, as updates often include improvements for pairing stability. If problems persist, the issue may be Bluetooth interference or other factors. Consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.